So as you can see, I've programmed the fan and the lights to come up automatically. Alright, fan, let me talk to this fan. Fan, Mostek wants to talk to you. Before the counting of 15, I want you to come up. I'm still talking to the fan. Fan, I start my count. 1, 2, see? Okay, the bulb is on. Actually, I don't want this bulb to be on. Okay, bulb, listen to me. Before the counting of 15, I want you to go off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? The fan is working. I don't want the fan to work. Fan, for the counting of 5, I want you to go off. 1, 2. You see the fan? So this is that about that. That is just our automation. So they are automated already. You don't need to look for a manual switch. You don't need to look for a manual switch. It will go off anytime you want it to go off, and it will come on anytime you want it to come on. So that is just that about the automation over here. I've come to the end of Mostek automation training section 1. Yeah, that of IoT. So by God's grace, as you can see, this fan and the bulb over here, they are being automated already. So at a particular seconds, the fan is going to come up and the bulb too is going to go off. Or probably the fan should go off and the bulb should come up. And they can both come up at the same time. They can both go off at the same time. Now, this is my fan. You see the fan is going to stop now. Okay, fan, I want you to come up for the counting of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? My fan is up now. Okay, now look at the bulb. Bulb, I want you to go off now before the counting of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. So this is what we call automation. You don't need to walk to your switch. You don't need to walk to anything. You don't need to tell someone to help you do it. It will work automatically.